simplify rational expressions. First step in simplifying rational expressions is we need to factor the numerator and the denominator. Factors of 18, we have 9 times 2. So how do we write these factors? Factors 2 and then 9 is 3 times 3. So 2 times 3, 6 times 3, 18. And then we factor out x. How many x do we have? 2. X and then y. Okay. For 24, the factors of 24 are 6 times 4. So we factor first 6, 2 times 3. And then the factors of 4 is 2 times 2. Let's put them farther because they don't have common factor in the numerator. And then we align the factors that are the same, x, and then y squared. So we write y aligned with y on from the numerator, and another way, y farther. So, and then we cancel all the common factors. So cancel, 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 cancel. So what do we have left in the numerator is 3 and x. And in the denominator, what do you have left? 2 times 2, 4 times y is 4y. So this is now the simplified rational expression. Okay, let's have the next given. In this case, since this is a binomial, we need to get the GCF of the two terms. So what are the GCF of x squared and 4x? So let's have x, and then on the other side, the factors will be 4 times x. So you see, the common factor is x. Okay, so we will put this common factor x, and then we have open and close parentheses for what is left for the first term, x, and the second term, which is 4. So these are now the factored form of the given. So in the denominator, we have 4x, that's 4 times x, and then factors of 16 is 4 times 4. So what's the common factor of these two terms? Yes, it is 4. So we will write this as the common factor outside the open and close parentheses. And what do we have left? X and 4. See? Then we rewrite it as the numerator and the denominator. So as you see now, we have the common factor, which is x plus 4 and x plus 4 in the denominator. So that would be x plus 4 divided by x plus 4 is equal to 1. So we cancel this as a binomial. And what do we have left is x over 4. So this is now the simplified expression of x squared plus 4x over 4x plus 16. Okay, let us continue simplifying these two given. 1, 2, simplifying these rational expressions. Again, step 1 is to factor out each numerator and denominator. So x squared minus 25, as you see, we can use special product factoring. So we have two binomials, x, and the factors of 25. Square root is 5 times 5. Since this is negative, we can have plus and minus. Let's check. So this is x times x is x squared. 5 times 5 is 25. 5x and negative 5x is equal to 0. So this is our factor. Next is the common factors of 5x. So we have factors of 5x is 5 times x. And the factors of 25 is 5 times 5. So what's the common factor in this case? We have 5. So we will rewrite this as 5 times x plus 5. And then we copy that in the numerator, x plus 5 and x minus 5. Now we get the common factor of the numerator and the denominator. So in this case, as you see, this will be the x plus 5 and x plus 5 in the denominator, because when we divide them, the answer is 1. So technically, let's just cancel. So next, what is left in the numerator is x minus 5, and in the denominator is 5. Can we cancel 5 and 5 in the denominator? No, because the given in the numerator is a binomial, while in the denominator is a constant number. So we cannot cancel them. Therefore, this will be our simplified rational expression. Okay? For our next given, we have 2x squared minus 8. So, the factors of the first term, 2 times x for 2x squared. Factors of 8, we have 2 times 4. So, the common factor of these two, okay, 2. So, we rewrite it as 2 times, what's left in that side is x squared, and minus 4. Now, let's proceed to the denominator. Factors, 4 times x. Factors of 8, 4 times 2. So, the common factor of the two terms is 4. So, we rewrite it as 4. And what's left in the first term, x. In the second term is plus 2. Okay? Then, let's observe. Do we have something to cancel? Yes, here. But as you see, the numerator is still factorable. So, x squared minus 4 is a difference of 2 squares. So, we can still factor out this. So, how the factors of that will be, let's just write 2 and 2 binomials. Like what we have here, x, and then the square root of 4 is 2 and 2, plus and minus. Okay? In the denominator, let's just copy 4 and then x plus 2. Now, what's the common factor? You see common factor this time? Yes. So, that would be x plus 2 and x plus 2. How about the whole number or the constant? 2 and 4. Do they have a common factor? Yes, that would be 2. So, when we divide 2 with 2, the answer is 1. 4 divided by 2, the answer is 2. So, what do we have left in the numerator? That's 1. This 1 times x minus 2 is x minus 2. And in the denominator, we have 2. So, the simplified rational expression of that given is x minus 2 over 2. Remember, this is a binomial, so we cannot cancel 2 and 2 in that case. That's it.